Hello, my little pickles. Granny here. And today, Granny has a big surprise. She's got cats versus pickles. Did you know that cats don't like pickles? Well, watch this. What's the matter? Don't you like pickles? No? What? Pickles are good. You guys should be friends. You gotta be friends with that pickle? Nope. Wasn't that crazy? Don't you think that cats and pickles should get along and be friends? All right, the first cat we got is Watermelon. Look at him. Isn't he cute? He's got green and pink and pink. He's a watermelon. You're so cute and soft. Wow. The next cat Granny has, Cheeseburger. Do you remember when Granny dressed up as a cheeseburger? Well, this cat is a cheeseburger. Isn't he cute? Look, there's the burger. There's a tomato, some lettuce, and a bun. He looks yummy. The next cat we got is a puzzle. He's got pretty colors, blue and pink and yellow and green. He's so cute. And he's like a little beanbag. The next cat we got, it's Pawberry. He looks like a strawberry, doesn't he? Look at that. Look, he's got little leaves up there for ears. Look how cute. The next one we got is Sprinkles. He's like an ice cream cone. See, there's his cone. It's like a double dip. Isn't he cute? Look at that. This is Hank. He's a pickle. Isn't he cute? Look, he's yelling. Ah! Did you know that these cats versus pickles are at Walmart right now? Well, that's all Granny has for you today. Goodbye, my little pickles. And for more videos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and find me on Cameo.